Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. We have an interesting problem here to solve. We're asked to evaluate ARCSIN. This is a very typical exam problem and a good thing to learn how to do. So first thing you want to realize is whenever they give you arc, any inverse function, okay, inverse trig function, this one is equal to an angle. Okay, when we write a sine of, let's say, 60 degrees is equal to radical 3 over 2, this one is an angle, and this one is a number. But when they inverse this one, they put a number inside, then this one becomes angle. Now, having known that one, this solves a lot of problem for you. Let's say sine inverse of radical 3 over 2 is equal to theta. This one is equivalent of saying sine of theta is equal to radical 3 over 2. And they're asking for theta value. Okay. From there are actually two ways to solve this one. Let's start with the most common way, which is probably the unit circle. Okay. When trig students start, they always start on a unit circle. There's a good reason. A unit circle is referred as a unit circle because the unit, the radius, let's just say the radius is one unit. Okay, then the angles becomes a very interesting problem. The y value of any point on a circle is always a sine value. Okay, so here's the y, here's the x. Okay, the reason this one is a sine value is because sine, if this is a theta, then it's whatever opposite over the, let's draw this triangle out actually. This theta is here. It's whatever the opposite over the hypotenuse. I tell my students this looks like a roof. So think it's opposite over the roof. That's the sine. So this is the y value. Since we're looking for sine theta is equal to radical 3 over 2, and if you evaluate this as 1.732 over 2, so it's on the long side. Okay, y value is on the long side. As you can see here, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Or if you want to convert and you don't remember how to convert, this is how you do. You divide it by 80. This is equal to pi over 3. Okay, so that's one number. There is, however, another angle on this side that gives you identical sine value. Okay, so theta 1 is equal to 60. Theta 2 also have the same, exactly the same sine value, but the angle is different. This theta 2 is actually 180 minus 60 degrees. Okay, this is the 60 degrees here. So it's 180, the 180 is over here, minus 60, that equal to 120. So theta 2 is equal to 120 degrees. And theta 2 is, or another way you can say is pi minus pi over 3, or theta 2 is equal to 2 pi over 3. Okay. That's the two answers. Theta 1 is equal to pi over 3. Theta 2 is 2 pi over 3. Okay, that's one method. I earlier said that there's two methods. Another method, as you progress more advanced into the trig, what you can do is draw a sine curve. Okay, this is a theta, and this becomes sine theta curve. Okay, you're looking for a specific value, which is radical 3 over 2. And what you do is draw the line over here. This is pi over here. You'll see there's two values, theta 1, theta 2. Okay, theta 1 is still pi over 3. Theta 2 is pi minus pi over 3. You get exactly the same answers. Okay. Once again, whenever you have an ARCSIN or any inverse sine function, the inverse trig function, you want to know this has to be an angle. So that's a clue to say I'm looking for an angle, asking for a theta. Once you know what value you have, you're going to either do the sine curve, that's more advanced one, or you can do the unit circle. All right? Hope this helped. Have a confident day.